Variable frequency drives, or VFDs, can be effectively utilized in agricultural projects, even in challenging environments with extreme heat and dirt. Most VFD are designed to operate within a temperature range of -10 degrees Celsius to 45 degrees Celsius or 14 degrees Fahrenheit to 113 degrees Fahrenheit. Operating beyond these limits can lead to overheating and premature failure. In hot environments with temperatures between 90 and 105 degrees Fahrenheit, adequate ventilation and cooling are essential. Dirt and dust accumulation on VFD components can cause insulation breakdown and short circuits, so proper sealing and air filtration are crucial to prevent contaminant ingress. When selecting and installing VFD in these conditions, firstly, choose VFD with higher ingress protection, or IP, ratings. Look for I-54 or I-65 enclosures to protect against dust and water intrusion. Secondly, install the VFD in a well-ventilated location to dissipate heat effectively. Thirdly, consider using external cooling measures such as heat sinks, cooling fans, or air conditioners to maintain optimal operating temperatures. Fourthly, provide dust filtration by placing the VFD in an enclosure with air filters or using an external air filtration system. Fifthly, avoid direct sunlight exposure by installing the VFD in a location shielded from direct sunlight. Several manufacturers offer VFDs specifically designed for harsh agricultural environments. For example, the Schneider Electric Altivar processor V600 has an I-54 rating and built-in dust and moisture resistance. The ABBAC S580 has an I-66 rating and a robust design for extreme conditions. The Danfoss VLT Automation Drive FC51 has an I-54 rating and a conformal coating for protection against dust and moisture. Users who have deployed these VFD in extreme heat and dirt environments have reported generally positive results, with reliable operation and extended lifespans. However, proper installation and maintenance are crucial for success. Regularly inspect the VFD for dust accumulation and clean as necessary. Check the cooling fans and replace them if necessary. Monitor operating temperatures and adjust cooling measures accordingly. Perform periodic maintenance, such as checking connections and replacing worn components. By following these recommendations, you can successfully use VFD in challenging agricultural applications, even with extreme heat and dirt conditions. To summarize, temperature considerations are important. Exceeding the rated temperature limits can lead to overheating and premature failure. Dirt considerations are also key. Dirt and dust can cause insulation breakdown and short circuits. Recommendations for VFD selection and installation include firstly choosing VFD with higher IP ratings like I-54 or I-65. Secondly, installing the VFD in a well-ventilated location. Thirdly, using external cooling measures like heat sinks or fans. Fourthly, providing dust filtration using enclosures with air filters. And fifthly, avoiding direct sunlight exposure. Experience with VFD in similar applications suggests that products like the Schneider Electric Altivar processor V600, ABBAC S580, and Danfoss VLT Automation Drive FC51 perform well. Maintenance considerations include regular inspection for dust, checking and replacing cooling fans, monitoring operating temperatures, and performing periodic maintenance.